Hey guys, welcome to our channel Luntrest. So today we'll start with Core Java basics. So today's agenda is what is Java, why Java, where Java is used, opportunity in Java, and next we'll start with Java installation and Eclipse installation. What is Java? So Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is used for developing software for multiple platforms. It is also a platform independent. Java is also a case sensitive. Caps and small a are two different things. So why we use Java? So Java is platform independent. Second, secure and open source. Third, it's a robust in nature. Fourth, it's portable. Fifth, it's user friendly. So where Java is used? Java is basically used to develop software used in different platform or operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac. It is platform independent. Opportunity in Java. So a person can become a Java developer, web developer, Android developer, architect, or an automation tester. So we'll continue of our Java and Eclipse installation in our next session. Till then, thank you all for your time and interest in Luntrest. Please like, share and subscribe.